And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, we are fairly cloudy this morning, so that's keeping temperatures not moving too much, but it is certainly pretty cold out there. We're in the 30s, lower 30s, Logansport, Peru, Rochester, Winnemac to upper 20s from Crawfordsville, Lafayette, 28, 27 up in Remington. We have a pretty good northwest wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour, but when we see temperatures where we're at, upper 20s, and the wind kicks up, certainly gets that bone-chilling cold out there. So it feels like 21 in Delphi, feels like 24 in Monticello, feels like 19 out in Kentland, feels like 24 in Rochester. High pressure right over the Dixie Alley. So this area, we're going to be seeing that high pressure off behind it, south wind out to the northeast of it. We're getting that northwest wind into our viewing area, keeping those clouds in our forecast and that breezy, cool northwest wind. But as that high pressure moves off to the east today, we're going to change that wind this evening to a more southwesterly. Will be a little bit warmer tomorrow. We'll have another dry cold front that'll come through, give us some cooler air come Wednesday. But this morning we're mostly cloudy, mid-lower level clouds. The good news is these clouds will start to gradually decrease from west to east, and we'll see a lot more sunshine, especially after about noon, 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, partly sunny, and then definitely more sun by 4 or 5, and then clearing out overnight tonight. But it's just going to be a cool, blustery day. Winds out of the southwest, 34 by lunchtime, upper 30s for most of us, partly sunny by 3, and then clearing out and getting still pretty cool tomorrow morning. Those winds only about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now tomorrow is when that dry cold front will start to come through for your day on Tuesday. A cold start once again, upper 20s will do for us with those wind gusts up to 20 throughout the day, so a little bit more breezy for tomorrow. But the good news is a lot of sunshine here for your Tuesday. We'll get up to the lower 40s, but notice the wind shift southwest to west-northwest by the evening hours. So we'll get that cooler air in here for at least Wednesday, upper 30s, low 40s, but really that's about it. We'll be cooler today than the rest of the 10-day forecast. So crazy enough, they're well above normal temperatures. Futurecast this morning, there's the cloud cover this morning, 10 o'clock. But watch what happens after lunchtime. Here's 3, more widespread sunshine, that southwest wind here for us. Here's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, starting off nice and sunny tomorrow morning. And then we'll see that cold front come through. Notice no rain with it, and really barely any clouds with it here for Tuesday afternoon. But notice those white lines coming out of the northwest for Tuesday evening, and then may see a little bit more clouds here for Wednesday morning, but no rain, no snow with this come Wednesday. So we do have a very dry forecast, not only for us here in Indiana, but for much of the Midwest. Most of the systems staying off to the east, staying off to the south, but look at this donut hole. This is the next 7 days from the NOAA Weather Prediction Center. All the models kind of are trending this way too, to a very dry next several days ahead here for us in the forecast. So looking dry and above normal with those temperatures. Tuesday, tomorrow, 42 degrees, maybe a degree or two cooler Wednesday, but then we rise. Look at this, Thursday, 47, 50 on Friday, 52 Saturday. And we'll stay in the 50s Sunday. The weekend looks fantastic. It'll be breezy. Nonetheless, winds out of the south, but then we'll see a slight cool down early next week with still little to no rain chances going into our work week next week, Joe.
So much sunshine there, so much.
Yes.
I love it. And above average temperatures, just a super mild December so far, it seems like.
You know, I feel like this is the calm before the storm as we go into the winter months, but you know, it's going to be a very dry, warm week ahead of us, you know, compared to normal. So enjoy it now because you know what's to come here.
Sub-zero things I'm sure we'll be talking about eventually. So I love it right now. Okay, thanks, David.